Go ahead.
Alright here. This is my Payne Heat Pump that I have at the Brighton. In case it was not off in the night. It was not off in the night. And I have the fan on for real quick, and the air handler is off. I'm going to show you my Payne air handler. And this is my Payne, and this is my Payne air handler that I have inside. And here's my hot water tank over there. And the refrigerant tubing went all the way in here.
And what's that called?
The air handler.
Mmm.